So I could not find a tutorial that provided eyes. So I found a bunch of eyes Googling free clip art eyeball, and then just kind of found a variety. And then these, when I transferred them to a Word document, like I would sometimes, like this is a screenshot, this is a screenshot, that's a screenshot, and then this is like a downloaded image. But then I was like varying all the sizes to kind of see which one would be a good size. So what do you think? Is that a good size? Even if my cut is not perfect, I do plan on painting the border. So it would, like how this one kind of has that white line above the eyeball. That's going to be covered up when I paint it. And I am kind of playing with the idea of maybe having multiple eyes so they all kind of have their own character. I'll pick it up and put it on. I like that sizing because I have multiple sizes and some I don't like. And then I Mod Podge the back and put it on. I've Mod Podged all over the ball, so it's a little sticky, but that's okay. Okay, so if you look around, I have a few different colors. I have like this bluish green, I have a yellow, and I have a green, like a more true green. My method, and you'll see right here, there's a little bit of difference. So this one's really light, this one's a little darker. And the reason for that is because I have a imprecise method. So I have a little cup of water and I dip my brush in it, but I don't want it too wet. So I push some of the water off and then I lightly dip it in the paint. And you can pick your own colors. This isn't, you know, this is just up to whatever. And then I want it to be kind of watercolorish. That's my goal. But it does come out different. But I think that's kind of cool because that's how real eyeballs are. Now, sometimes I do go over, if I have too much paint and I go over the iris or the center thing, which is not the iris, I apologize, the eyeball. Pupil, thank you, the pupil. I'm gonna come back in with a black and fix that because I am gonna also frame the eye with black. So there we go. So I'm taking that with a little bit of black paint and framing out the eyeball. Here's one finished. I think it's kind of a creepy color. Okay, so I'm gonna put on some eyelashes. So I have a fine point, or maybe it's ultra fine point Sharpie marker, and I'm just gonna make skinny little lines to look like eyelashes. I'm gonna try to keep them all about the same height, but I'm just eyeballing it. And as you can see, they're a little short, so I need to add some more length. And kind of what's cool about this is if you have some like little up parts from your painting on the framing of the eye, you can use those as kind of like a starting point for your eyelashes, and it kind of helps cover your mistake. bottom because I feel like it's a little bare. Okay, now I personally would like to make the top eyelashes a little longer, so I'm gonna go over them again, and here we go. All right, so what do you think? Here, we want a lighter background, I think. I feel like that looks pretty good.